Hey ladies, welcome back to another Luvme hair wig install. As you guys can see, we are kicking off this install with me showing you guys all of this lace room that we have to play with. So this particular wig is their Nature Max ear to ear glueless 13x5 HD lace frontal C-part deep wave wig. I have it in 24 inches. Again, you guys, this is a 13x5 lace frontal, so even though I said C-part, you could still part the wig anywhere that you choose. So a couple of things about this wig, you guys. They are saying that it is supposed to have an invisible HD lace. It's supposed to have a natural hairline. The lace is supposed to mimic your scalp as well. So again, you're not supposed to see all those little black dots all over the lace, okay? So take a look at this beautiful deep wave texture, you guys, and I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the lace here. As you can see, she's pretty invisible. She's definitely HD, I would give them that. I'm also gonna give you guys a close-up of the lace in natural lighting as well, so you guys see how natural she's looking, all right? Now, inside of this lace, you do have the double anti-slip stripes. That way your wig is not sliding back. It also is a 3D dome cap all around fit for no sliding back as well, and you are able to still move and adjust the wig due to this durable elastic band. Now, if I got your attention this far, then you'll be happy to know that this particular wig is having a huge discount right now, so it is 32% off. So make sure you guys click that link in my description box as soon as you finish watching this tutorial. I added some foundation on that lace to help the lace match my skin color, and then I just went ahead and threw the wig on. I also did have to tighten up the wig just a little bit more while the wig was on my head, so I made use of that elastic band. Thank God they actually have that on there. Luvme hair wigs tend to be a little bit big on me, but we're just going to work our way around it just like we always do. So I am going to go ahead and use my wax stick and my comb to get all of the hair away from that lace. That way I can see what she is really looking like. The lace did come pre-cut, so I did not have to cut the lace, so less work for me to do, and I'm going to give you guys a close-up. That way you can see what she is looking like. The lace was looking extremely natural. The only issue that I had is that the wig was actually kind of laying over my ears because the wig was just a little too big on me, so I did have to push it behind my ears a little bit, and we have to kind of finesse it to cover that up. But at least the lace was invisible HD, right? She's looking extremely natural. So this next step is completely optional. I do not use glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and just say right now, this is not glue that I am using on this wig, so this wig is still glueless, okay? What I am using is just a lighter adhesive, which is called a lace melting spray, and I'm only dabbing a little bit right at the edges of the lace. Why am I doing this? Because the wig was just a little too big on me, and I just needed a little bit more security. I wanted that lace to be a little bit more flat. That way she is giving me all the naturalness that I am looking for. That's extremely important. So even if you are not using glue, it's important to have an invisible HD lace. Lace quality is everything, but you also want to make sure that the lace is laying very, very, very flat. If she's not laying super flat, then you are going to notice her, okay? So that's why I use the lace melting spray. After I let that set, I just went ahead and added a little bit more foundation right at the edges to help her look even more natural and make sure everything was blended in. And then I went in with a lighter foundation in the center part. So here is a close-up of that lace, you guys. She is looking great. She's looking natural, which is everything that I was looking for. So shout out to Luvme Hair for the great lace quality. I'm also going to part the hair in sections. That way you guys can see that wherever you part, it's supposed to give natural scalp, like it's supposed to give the illusion that it is scalp, okay? So I wanted to show you guys that. Next, I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb to make sure that the very top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. This is also another crucial step for me because if I don't do this, the wigs look too bulky on me, and I do not like that. So I did one side off camera, and I'm going to show you guys how I finesse the other side. This is a deep wave texture, which means styling is going to be real quick, simple, and painless. I wanted to make sure that I got the maximal density out of this wig without causing unnecessary frizz. So I did go ahead and I detangled the hair dry at first. I just ran my fingers through the hair. I didn't use any combs or brushes. I just used my fingers because I wanted to get rid of any shedding, and honestly the shedding was very minimal, so I was happy with that. Next, I went in with some water and I detangled once again very lightly because I didn't want to alter the texture of the wig too much. This is a nice deep wave, so I wanted to make sure that I kept the definition of the hair also while making her look a little bit bigger, if that makes any sense. So that's the main reason why I decided to use some water as well, so I could avoid the frizz. Now this hair did have some flyaways, which you guys know I hate. I cannot stand flyaways, so I am going to add some gel to the very top of the wig and also down the hair as well. I didn't necessarily put the gel on each strand of the hair. You guys will see I'm just doing a very light coat just at the very top. That way she can look nice and neat and shiny and precise. And just like that, we are finished, you guys. How quick and painless was that, right? Here is a close-up of that hair texture. It was still pretty damp at this point, but I did allow her to dry off camera. You guys know I cannot use my blow dryer on camera, I'm sorry. So here is an alternative style, which I'm not really fond of, like braided hairstyles and stuff like that. But the main reason why I did this is because I wanted to show you guys this lace froom. I wanted to show you this scalp-like lace that Luvme Hair has been promoting as of lately. She definitely looks great. You can even go down farther if you choose to, and this is what the lace is looking like in natural lighting. I'm standing right by my window on my iPhone showing you guys this lace, and she was looking very, very natural, so I was pleased. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig unit. Let me know if you are planning on purchasing. Remember what I said earlier, Luvme Hair is having a huge discount on this wig, and particularly it is 32% off. So if you are interested, you might want to run over to the website. You can use that link in my description box down below. That way it could take you directly to this wig and you guys could go ahead and purchase this wig unit. Summer is right around the corner, so it's best to actually have a lot of these glueless options, a lot of these deep wave curly wig options that you can flex for the summer. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I definitely appreciate it and I do not take it for granted. Again, make sure you guys check out my description box down below for all further details and the direct link to this wig unit. Thank you again for tuning in. I hope you learned something today and I will see you guys next time.